Hi Fabric Addicts, I'm Andrea with My Fabric Addiction, and today we are going to be working on block 2 of our block of the month for Cluckin Crazy. Let's get started. So when you get your kit, they're all nicely packaged and you just pull out block 2. You'll have your pattern in here and all of your pieces are all nicely cut for you. Your pattern will tell you which pieces go where. This one's a super simple block. We only have 4 cuts. Your instructions will lay out your layout. We will take our fabric J. And we'll just lay them out. I like to stack all of them and chain piece them. So I would count out how many blocks I'm doing and lay them all out. But we are just doing 1 today, so I won't spend all that time. So that's how your block should look with it all laid out. Then we are just gonna start sewing them together. I like to do mine in rows. So I will sew this piece all the way down. These ones I will wait on and then slowly just put them together. So let's get sewing them. So I'm gonna take this piece and I'm gonna sew it together. I'm gonna do a 1/4 inch all the way down. So I like to chain piece. So on this next section where these ones are gonna be sewn together and then we're gonna put this one in after. So we're gonna sew this next piece is gonna go down. And we're gonna leave this piece right here for now, and we are gonna go to this piece. So I cut off from top right here, cut this next one. This is the next piece that's gonna go on. And I'll just pull from the back again from my machine. This helps me keep all of my pieces in order. So now I'm gonna pull this piece, go down. Pull from the back again, and we're back at the bottom. That piece is finished right there. And we're back at the bottom. We're gonna put this piece on there. We're gonna put our corner piece. So to keep things in order, I'll just set that right there, and I'm gonna grab my next side pieces. Okay. Now we'll take this bottom piece. That's right there. Once I have it all laid out, I like to see where I'm gonna, how I want to press. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this one and I'm gonna have it all go that way. These ones, it doesn't really matter, so I'm just gonna take them all one direction. And then this one, I will probably just go this direction. So. Try not to pull. You want it to, don't want to stretch your fabric. Okay. All right, so now we are going to put our center piece to our sides. Do that on both sides. You need to put a little pin at the end to make sure that your seams match up. That's how it's gonna go together. So when I look at this, I'm looking at which way I had done these and try and go the opposite. So both of these are going this direction. So I'm gonna take this one and have them go this direction. There we go. So I'm going to take these and we are going to match up our seams so you can nest them. You can pin them or you can hold them together. I always prefer to pin, or just about always. And you can pin both sides, or you can do them one at a time. I'll give you both sides again. And we'll sew both sides. gonna press our seams. Get it nice and flat. And that is our frame block for block 2 of our Cluckin Crazy. So this block fits right here on the quilt in between the stars. So you'll make 8 of these blocks for our quilt. See you addicts on block 3.